Greetings, fellow gearheads. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of heavy equipment machines, uncovering the cutting-edge technology behind these marvels on Smart Tech. The LH500 is an excellent silage specialist and is ideal for all silage work and other heavy pushing work on difficult terrain, such as moving wood chips, where the ability to climb is required. This machine climbs any silo without risk, as the wide tracks make it much more stable than wheeled prototypes. The adjustable undercarriage provides the perfect combination of climbing ability and maneuverability, and ensures perfect adaptation to any type of terrain. The independent wheel suspension with hydraulic rocking function ensures optimum adaptation to any type of ground. In this way, the silo can be stacked and compacted at the same time. Two working stages that would otherwise require two special vehicles. You're looking at the SC850 Pro stump grinder from Dipper Fox, a professional attachment. Modern dynamic gear shifting, unique hydraulic motors, and quality components guarantee maximum shredding speed. The use of fewer moving parts increases strength and durability, while the adjustable gear ratio allows maximum power to be used at very low rotational speeds. The cutter spins, chomps, and presses woody debris into the ground, leaving no holes or voids. As a result, the plot does not need additional harvesting equipment and is ready for planting new seedlings. Let's be honest, the thought and engineering used to create this machine is truly amazing. The breaker-style rack with hydraulic cable tensioner will save you a lot of time. In the past, this kind of work was done manually, and for farmers it became a real problem, and sometimes even an impossible task. But now, no diggers for poles, no pulling each strand manually. Breaker style will do it all by itself, with quality and reliability. And it appears to be able to move over rough terrain without any difficulties. The OV100 is a self-propelled harvesting machine, which is well suited for medium to large farm plantations. This machine has a power of 23 horsepower and a working width of 100 centimeters. The model is equipped with a 700-liter hopper, which for loading rises to a height of 2.5 meters. This machine has four-wheel drive as standard. Radial piston hydraulic motors cope perfectly with working on slopes. The model is designed to harvest 1,000 to 2,000 tons of fruit, and is therefore suitable for real professionals. Thanks to the large wheels, the OV100 has a good feel on slopes. The Comtech Crambo E-Mobile is an innovative and advanced mobile shredder designed and manufactured by Comtech. This company specializes in environmental machinery. One of the key features of the Crambo E-Mobile is its exceptional shredding capabilities. It's equipped with robust and highly efficient shredding mechanisms that can handle a variety of materials, including wood waste, green waste, rootstocks, bulky materials, and more. The shredder's powerful dual-shaft system and high torque drives ensure reliable and effective shredding. Well, what do we see here? Jutex FlexTrack. Its powerful 3.6-liter turbo engine with 100 horsepower provides maximum power for all tasks. All machine functions are easily controlled with a joystick and foot pedal. 5 hydraulic 3-point hitches and other attachments for attaching specialty equipment ensure a high level of productivity. In addition, the low noise level gives the driver the best conditions to concentrate for many hours a day. Because the company knows for a fact that a focused driver is a safe driver, and that's good business. In gardening, several operations can be optimized at the same time. Forming beds, laying the hose for irrigation, fertilizing, weeding, laying polyethylene or biofilm, or tamping. The Cosmico Adjustable Bed Former is an excellent machine for the final preparation of the soil for sowing, the last and most important stage in soil tillage. This set of units helps to eliminate increased soil density effectively by restoring soil porosity and promoting air and water circulation. As a result, you can expect rapid germination and optimum growing conditions for many crops that require this special but effective method of cultivation. The CAT 994K is a large wheel loader designed and manufactured by Caterpillar, one of the leading manufacturers of construction and mining equipment. This robust and powerful machine is specifically built for handling heavy loads in demanding applications, such as mining, quarrying, and bulk material handling. It's equipped with a range of features and technologies that optimize performance, productivity, and operator comfort. Whether it's loading haul trucks, stockpiling materials, or handling heavy-duty applications, the CAT 994K delivers the power, reliability, and productivity needed to get the job done. In this video, you can witness the remarkable road rehabilitation project taking place on the A8 between Wendlingen and Gertheim, featuring the utilization of the Vogler equipment. As a distinguished entity in the construction industry, this company is renowned for its pioneering technology and exceptional machinery. Their unwavering dedication to excellence is exemplified by their extensive deployment of cutting-edge equipment, which not only transforms the construction process, but also establishes new benchmarks within the industry. Are you looking for an inexpensive but efficient mini combine and thresher for your crop? Then look no further than this Puhata machine, which features a new sophisticated threshing structure that ensures clean threshing and complete separation of the grain from the plant itself. We should also note the lightweight of the combine, good cross-country ability in difficult operating conditions, ease of transportation, and ease of maintenance. The machine is ideal for harvesting rice and wheat in hilly and mountainous areas, and its high productivity and maneuverability will pleasantly surprise even the most demanding user. And this is the most compact crane in the Spearings product line. Its compact design with a width of only 2.55 meters and a total length of just 13.08 meters means that the truck can easily maneuver. This crane has proven itself well in urban conditions, occupying an area of less than 10 meters. The maximum outrigger base measures are 7,250 by 7,200 millimeters. Definitely impressive specifications. The John Deere 1270G harvester is designed for logging operations on steep slopes and rough terrain. Thanks to the installation of tandem bogies of the rear frame, the ground pressure has been reduced and traction has been increased. This machine consumes significantly less fuel than the previous model while boasting even greater power. I would say it's a real gem, not just a machine. You haven't seen road construction equipment like this before. Believe me. Before you is the outstanding model Next Trencher D250. Essentially, it's a disc trencher mounted on an excavator. It allows for the construction of trenches up to 80 centimeters long and 12 to 25 centimeters wide. And the machine's appearance is quite unique as well. The VDO Thyssen wheel excavator is the very equipment capable of efficiently chewing through almost any surface. It's truly a rugged machine, designed for giants. VDO Thyssen can excel even in open-pit mining operations, but it does have one drawback. Maneuvering around obstacles can be challenging for such a large machine. However, this is a solvable problem. Another representative of Caterpillar equipment is the road vibratory roller, Model 825C. It can be confidently stated that this machine is low maintenance and can withstand even the most challenging operating conditions. It can be easily configured to specific tasks, ensuring efficient compaction of any type of laid mixture. Mulching in the forest is an efficient and environmentally friendly method of land clearing. With mulchers attached to excavators, tractors, and mini loaders, you can cut, grind, and clear the land, allowing you to swiftly move on to the next stage of your project. Now you don't have to worry about unsightly stumps or scattered debris, as tree and shrubs are mulched by these machines, leaving the ground level and tidy. Saren's SGC giant cranes are the largest cranes on the planet, built for a world where nothing is impossible. From the record-breaking SGC 250 to the powerful and reliable SGC 90, their equipment takes the world to a new level. Now, the company showcases footage of the production of a new giant that will combine stability, precision, safety, and a new design. Very intriguing indeed. Moving on, and now we have a surface bucket ladder dredger in front of us. At first glance, it may seem like a somewhat peculiar machine, but it's designed for very specific purposes, namely for extracting sand and gravel from wet quarries. The depth of excavation with this bucket ladder dredger is about 14 meters. As online commentators say, such machines can create a fantastic and magnificent massacre. And you know what? I can't disagree. Take a look at the Sandvik DD212. It's a robust, compact, and versatile electric-hydraulic single-boom jumbo for tunneling and mining operations. The manufacturer has made efforts to increase drilling productivity and extend the number of meters tunneled. And an important factor today is that they managed to reduce the overall cost of the machine compared to its counterparts. The Coblico demolition machine can handle light work with tall buildings. This equipment comes with a unique 3-component separate front attachment with high reach. The model is also equipped with the exclusive Next attachment system, which simplifies assembly and disassembly for easy setup and dismantling. Just watch the video to the end, and you'll fall in love with this machinery model. This video showcases the extensive capabilities of the Timberline Tree Shear rotating tree shears from Sydney Manufacturing. You can clearly see all the gripping angles, including the pruning of standing trees and cutting them at the base using the high-tech machine with a rotating skid steer. The equipment you can watch forever, the unique amphibious excavator Doosan. Surely its operation and appearance are impressive. By the way, this machine belongs to the category of special developments of the company and was designed to enhance mobility in swamps, marshy areas, and soft ground with floating pontoons. When combined with the previous super long reach kit, this excavator can even reach the bottom of deep water bodies. Modern forest mulchers use a variety of cutting tools, such as fixed hammers or flail knives, to shred trees and other vegetation into small pieces. The mulching head, which is attached to a hydraulic arm, spins rapidly and chops the trees and brush into fine mulch. UNAC Rail is a Model 22 TRR railroad excavator with tons of benefits. Don't believe me? Then look. The machine is capable of lifting heavy loads up to 6 tons, has 2 motorized rail axles for hydrostatic movement and braking, and is equipped with a special boom safety system designed to limit movement when working under live wires. Great qualities, you'll agree. On construction sites where bridges are built, the work is always active. For successful results, special purpose machines are used to create the foundations for the piers, install the shunts, and fix the excavation. Here, for example, foundation works are carried out with the help of a large LB drilling rig. And for creating sheet piles, the LRB Model 125 XL is used. And believe me, there's a lot to see. The Slopemaster is one of a kind. Its unique design makes it the perfect companion for any large mowing job, whether on flat ground or at an angle of up to 60 degrees. It has several features, including a safety warning light, a winch for evacuation, and multiple shutoff mechanisms for total safety in all situations. Dipper Fox is a professional stump grinder that will please any user of heavy equipment. The machine drills perfectly through stumps and their roots, driving all the remains deep into the ground. Therefore, there is no more need for additional clearing of the logging site. And what's more, you no longer need to collect, transport, and dispose of the remains. Such a time and resource saver. Do you want to weed or clean the edges of green spaces, sidewalks, or urban floors? Then this powerful and highly efficient brush adapted to the mower arm is just for you. From the advantages of the machine, I would single out the new variator of forward-reverse tilt, speed, and orientation of the working body on the mower. Other pluses include the powerful hydraulic motor with high torque and the motion control unit, which is now located in the operator's cab. Today, we'll show you the concept of a new model of scraper, which is distinguished by a narrow frame with a width of only 3.63 meters. The bucket capacity of such a machine with a cap is 23 meters cubed, which is also important. For the new brainchild, company K-Tech used many innovative solutions, including a set of power transmissions. The designers also included a concealed hose routing inside the bucket side walls and a curved ejector end. And the fact that this scraper has been designed to work closely with Rockback's 38-ton tractor makes it incredibly productive and efficient. The CH Series grader attachments are the ideal tool for the most demanding profiling tasks, from spreading stone to backfilling and precision profiling of landscape projects, as well as maintaining access roads. This equipment is packed with powerful features that make it a great solution for well-maintained gravel roads. Features include a dual-blade configuration and side panels with replaceable shoes. Ventrax's new model RV602 vacuum collection system is a professional's choice for all lawn care needs on commercial properties and home sites. Whether it's cleaning up fast-growing grass in the spring or cleaning up the fall leaves covering your yard, the vac system is the right choice for a quick job of taking care of your lawn. Now you see on your screens how the DZR Wide from the Japanese company Niplo works. In fact, in front of you is a unique agricultural machine that's being used to create a dam on a hilly rice field. Everything in order to further build an embankment in Japan. Outstanding durability, built-in strength, agility, and speed makes this machine the best in its lineup. Nemo Track is powered by a Honda engine with 22 horsepower. The working depth is from 0 to 10 centimeters, with a working width of 100 centimeters. The productivity of the unit is about 6,000 square meters per hour. The Nemo is also ideal for working on beaches with large amounts of waste. Introducing the highest capacity battery electric dump truck for underground mining. This incredible Sandvik machine with an unrivaled payload of 65 tons will soon begin testing at an Australian gold mine, and commercial production is expected to begin next year. Well, let's look forward to mass production and happy consumer feedback. Let's move on to the LH621 model. The main advantages of this 21-ton underground loader and dump truck. Excellent productivity for the most efficient tunneling, increased safety thanks to the operator's cab with certified protection against falling objects and tipping over. It also features an intelligent control system for quick and easy diagnostics and low emissions for environmentally friendly mining operations. The new RS400 Performance line is a new generation of sweepers developed by Arielleland. The machine has a completely renewed design, which was achieved with the use of high-tech fiberglass materials. The manufacturer has also updated many components, surfaces, aerodynamics, easy access to maintenance, and low life cycle costs. Bobcat skid steer loaders are versatile machines that can be used in a variety of industries, including construction, landscaping, and agriculture. They offer a number of unique opportunities for operators and businesses, including compact size, versatility, maneuverability, increased productivity, comfort, and durability. Overall, Bobcat skid steer loaders offer a unique set of opportunities that make them ideal for a variety of tasks and industries. The Conrad HL20N1 is a 6-wheel harvester machine that is primarily designed for use in medium to large wood forests. It's a versatile and powerful machine that is capable of efficiently harvesting a wide range of trees and shrubs, including hardwood and softwood species. Thanks to the balanced mass distribution, the ground pressure is optimized and the maximum retention of even soft soil is achieved. The Deere 1050K is a powerful crawler dozer designed for use in heavy construction and mining applications. With its advanced features and technologies, this crawler dozer provides exceptional performance, productivity, and reliability in even the most challenging operating environments. This machine is equipped with a dual-path hydrostatic transmission that provides smooth and responsive control over the dozer's speed and direction. The Tesmec M5 mechanical trencher is a powerful and versatile machine designed for digging trenches in a variety of soil types and ground conditions. The M5 is a reliable and efficient solution for a range of digging applications. Chain trenchers are used in a variety of applications, including laying pipelines, installing underground utilities, and digging drainage ditches. They're capable of excavating trenches of various depths and widths, depending on the specific requirements of the project. Landpack created a tractor with a huge rotating shaft attached to the rear, weighing from 8 to 12 tons, used to compact the earth. The rotating shaft attached to the rear of the Landpack tractor is known as a sheep's foot roller or a padfoot roller. It's made up of a series of cylindrical or rectangular pads that create a kneading effect on the soil, helping to compact it evenly and efficiently. The Brack T26.B double-row disc gripper is used to work in the most difficult areas, coping with boulders and slash residues. When driving on the plot, you can choose one of the pre-programmed modes of operation, depending on changes in terrain conditions. The Brack T26.B gives a good result on all types of soil thanks to its wide range of settings. Soil preparation with its help provides seedlings and seeds with the best conditions for survival and development, regardless of the terrain. The AHWI M650 Forest Mulcher is a powerful machine designed for heavy-duty land clearing and forestry applications. It features a high-performance hydraulic motor that drives a cutting rotor equipped with sharp teeth, allowing it to shred trees, stumps, brush, and other vegetation quickly and efficiently. The Apollo Generation 2 chicken harvester is a specialized machine designed for the poultry industry. It's designed to efficiently and safely harvest chickens from a farm and prepare them for processing. The chicken harvester is equipped with specialized attachments such as picking fingers, head-cutting blades, and a feather plucking system that work together to harvest chickens quickly and efficiently. The Diegelmann Rock King is a heavy-duty rock picker designed to make clearing rocks from fields an efficient and easy process. This machine is ideal for farmers and contractors looking to save time and money while maximizing productivity. The machine is equipped with a large, high-capacity hopper that can hold a large number of rocks, and it features a hydraulically driven reel that rotates and collects rocks. Rayco stump grinders are powerful machines designed to quickly and efficiently remove tree stumps. These grinders are used by professionals in the landscaping, forestry, and construction industries to clear land, prepare building sites, and improve the aesthetic appearance of properties. The Traco Mini Dozer M27, also known as the Mini Loader, is a versatile and efficient machine designed specifically for cleanup operations in a wide range of industrial and infrastructure settings. Its compact size and robust capabilities make it an ideal choice for various applications, including mining, construction, and maintenance projects. One of the primary areas where the Traco Mini Dozer M27 excels is in cleanup operations under conveyor belts in both above-ground and underground mining environments. The Arielleland is designed for soil mixing and loosening beneath the thatch without disrupting the thatch itself. The EA600 creates a core hole without lifting the plug to the surface, leaving the lawn ready for immediate use after treatment. It creates 97 holes per square meter, with the size of the holes adjustable by the drive speed. This makes it an excellent tool for soil aeration. High-power Caterpillar wheel loaders are distinguished primarily by their overall durability, ensuring maximum technical readiness over multiple service intervals. The design of the new 986K model incorporates the best solutions for reliability, performance, safety, operator comfort, serviceability, and sustainable development. It's simply a great find. Here it is, the latest innovation. Introducing the highly efficient DMW 220 dual-motor rotary cutter for sewer construction from Chemrock, with a 1,000mm cutting wheel and submerging capability. This equipment can be used in medium hard rock formations and even reinforced concrete. Bodenbau has the new Bauer CSM machine type RG21, which is equipped with the latest technology in terms of quiet operation and minimal emissions. In addition, the CSM system is fully resistant to vibrations and subsidence. Consequently, construction risks and inconvenience are minimized as far as possible. The right choice of grader is the key to its highly efficient operation. At least, that's the opinion of FMG specialists, who have developed this machine in different modifications. Depending on its size, the grader has 3 or 4 blades. They can be smooth blades or blades with carbide tips. As an additional equipment, the grader can be equipped with a hydraulic rear rake, which has 2 additional wings controlled by a joystick. By the way, the joystick control allows the driver to adjust the speed and direction of the machine himself. Thanks to their extensive experience with sand and special cleaning technology, Beach Tech beach cleaners are also well suited for lawn and racetrack maintenance. You can see the exceptional cleaning results in this video. Here, Charrington's new model 440XL was successfully demonstrated in Denmark. Now let's take a look at 2 powerful loaders from Sandvik. First, let's look at the 518B. Let's face it, it's the most compact 18-ton battery-powered loader on the market. Its powerful electric motors, innovative electric drivetrain, and smaller rear tires than the front tires contribute to its high lift capacity, small footprint, and improved visibility. Do more work with less effort is Caterpillar's tagline. Adhering to their working concept, they've created a mighty waste compactor, Model 836K. This giant weighs about 55 tons, and its power is 535 horses. But the main advantage of this machine is that it is equipped with proven technologies that help maximize the efficiency of operations. It is now extremely easy to harvest olives and almonds. All you need to do is to buy a special machine from Afron and then shake the trees well to catch the harvest. Ideal for gardens with a minimum trunk clearance of 0.5 meter. The technique copes perfectly with young and already mature trees that use mechanical hedging. The ideal tool for keeping hedges in shape is the hedge trimmer for giant loaders and skid steer loaders. The blade system consists of special hardened blades that ensure a clear and even cut of branches up to 3 centimeters. Since you can tilt the blade 180 degrees, you can cut hedges vertically and horizontally. As you can see, one advantage and no disadvantages. The Chemrock EK140 chain cutter is the first of its kind on the market. It was developed for use on excavators from 1.5 to 70 tons. By the way, this chain cutter significantly reduces the wear of the excavator's slewing mechanism. In addition, it saves 40% energy compared to a conventional rotary cutter without a center chain, with the same productivity. The Raptor 800 is a modern self-propelled mulcher on a tracked chassis, which is the most powerful and productive machine on the market. It was designed to solve extremely complex tasks effectively, which must be accomplished in the shortest time possible. The purchase of such a machine will be an ideal solution if you need to clear cuts for the construction of gas and oil pipelines, highways, railroads, and power lines. With its many advantages, this reach stacker offers high safety, efficiency, precision, and stability. The integrated operating system provides the loader with excellent performance. The engine, transmission, electrical, hydraulic, loading, and spreader safety systems are integrated in the CAN bus, which means that the entire working process is monitored in real time.
Additionally, please remember to share, like, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.